sure if this is saying to expect this or not, but I tried my long breaker bar. But now I've got the Power Torque 20 volt El Cheapo torque wrench from O'Reilly's, and working on this 97 Nissan Pathfinder front rotor. No luck. Let's try it with this guy. I'm a believer. Alright, so that definitely saved all kinds of grief.
Does my dad have one of those?
Your dad has the pneumatic kind. I'll take it with me when I go home. I could not get that, no way, no how, even with that giant breaker bar. I was trying to stand on the rotor. I had it in the vise. I had all kinds of dumb things. I could not get it to work. But I'm a believer in the El Cheapo, or it's 130 bucks. Wasn't completely cheap, but $130 Power Torque half-inch impact wrench. Yep. So they're off. Now I just have to get them back on. Success. I am a happy camper.